Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle, and I'm gonna tell you something. I know it's been a minute since I did a vehicle video, maybe I can say it that way, but the reason why is because I've been behind the scenes. As many of you know, I do multiple streams of income, and in order for me to do that, I want to make sure that I'm laser focused for my team, and I want to be laser focused for those people that want to be on my team. So I ask any of you all, definitely, at the end of the day, I need you to think about this, and this is a tip, a serious tip. If you want anything out of life, anything more than the norm, anything more than mediocre, you have to make sacrifices. Now that sacrifice can come in the means of sweating it out, exercising. It could be sacrifice of investment in your business, which you should be doing anyway. But anything that you want out of life, anything. And I'll give you an example. My doctor told me, he said I am doing excellent with losing my weight, but in the next 3 months he wants me to drop down 30 pounds. Next 3 months, okay guys? So he didn't even count August, but I've already set in my mind that I'm going to achieve it way before then. Why? Because you have to be consistent in your mindset. You have to be laser focused, and that is where a lot of people are missing it in their business. In their business, they're doing inconsistent movements, and so they're going to have inconsistent profits, if any profits at all. Remember, I've been in the industry over 30 years, and I'm doing the same things that I've been doing from day one. Day one, when I finally found the market, I had a mentor that taught me how to do it the right way. I've been doing it consistently, day in, day out. That's why I'm experiencing the success that I am. And I'm not any different than anybody else. I'm not any different than anybody else, but people do not want to sacrifice. But I'm gonna leave you with this. If you can go to a job and you're willing to be on that job on time, you're willing to clock in early, you're willing to stay through the duration, 30, 35 years, and hopefully, be able to cash out a 401k plan. Hopefully, and I say that because anybody knows my story. When it came to my 401k plan, it was drastically reduced. So I'm just going to leave that right there. That's for another video. But if anybody can make that kind of laser focus decision to go on a job, whatever the schedule is, every single day for the next 35, 40 years, or whatever it takes for you to retire out of your position, out of your job, out of your career or profession or whatever it is, why is it that you can't commit 2 to 3 years and create the income that surpasses any annual income that you ever achieved on any job? Why? Why is that? Because I'm telling you right now, a job will never give you the security that you want. A job will never give you the financial security that you want. And it sure enough will not give you the freedom that you want, you deserve for you and your family. Okay, so that's a tidbit. Sacrificing just for a small amount of time, just think about that while you're sitting on the couch, where you're eating potato chips, whatever it is that you're doing, at some point of the downtime of the day where you're sitting alone and you really can do some brainstorming, you can really think. Why would you want to commit to a company to be one of the forces to help them create millionaire status or multiple millionaire status or whatever they're doing in that company? Why commit 30 to 40 years for them when you can do 2 to 3 years for yourself and create a 6-figure income or higher for yourself? Focus and sacrifice. Sweat is sweat. No matter how you do it, sweat is sweat. But why not sweat for yourself? Okay, so guys, I just wanted to leave that with you all. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It is so much going on in the background for me and my family. I assure you right now, I have been setting the platform for me, not only just me, but my family, for generations to come. And you should be doing the same thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll speak to you later, and bye for now.